This tutorial is going to show you how to make a GIF in Photoshop, or a GIF if you want to pronounce it that way, tomato. First thing you want to do is go to your File menu, go down to Scripts, and you want to go to Load Files into Stack. This is going to pop up this menu, which will let you browse and select your files that you want to turn into a GIF. Go ahead and select all of them, holding down the Shift key, and hit OK. Once they're selected, they're going to go ahead and load here. Press OK. This is going to create a new window in Photoshop that is going to have all of your image files that you want to turn into a GIF loaded into a stack on the side. Once these have fully loaded in, go up to your window menu and go down and make sure that you have your timeline on. Once in your timeline, you want to create a frame animation. So click on that, and then right here, go ahead and click here. You're going to want to make frames from layers. So select that one, and it's going to make frames from your layers. It's going to load in reverse order, so you want to make sure that you go back to this menu and hit reverse frames. This is going to put it in the proper order. Go ahead and select it, hold down Shift, select the last one so you have all of them selected, and then tick this little drop down menu right here that says 0 seconds, and this is going to give you the option to change the time that it stays on this frame. Go ahead and set it to whatever you want to. If you have a custom time, go ahead and click Other and put in your custom time. Once you have this set, make sure that you have the loop down here on forever, and then go ahead and press play to check out what your GIF is going to look like. If you're happy with your results, then you can go ahead and export it by going up to File here, Export, Save for Web Legacy. This is going to load the export menu. You want to change your export type to GIF, and you want to make sure that you have 256 colors selected if you want to have the best quality and color range in your GIF. You can match the rest of these to what I have set if you would like to. Otherwise, experiment with them and figure out what you like and how you want your GIF to look. You can preview your GIF here, and it'll load in a web window that will show you what your GIF is going to play as. You can change the size of your GIF here if you would like to make it smaller. In this case, that's something I do want to do, so I'm going to change it. And then from here, all you have to do is click Save. It'll open a window that'll ask you where you want to save it. Go ahead and figure out where you want to save it, and that's it. Now you have a GIF, or a GIF, again, tomato, that's going to play on loop forever that you can post places. Hopefully this was helpful, and that's it for this one. Later.